So this is what Nate and the boys use. He only could take one kid at a time. But out of there, they shot 2 bucks last year. Both of them got one. So we're upgrading. Hold. Ready? Forward. Forward. Ready? Watch your fingers. Ready? Feel better. All right, set her down. Ready? I'll go push. Set her down on the wood. Watch your fingers. Are you ready? Yep. Push.
Bring the door towards me.
Yeah. Ready? So we got it up on the platform, and we took some big screws and some big washers and screwed it down. That's the brake. My buddy accidentally touched his fork from his skid steer and broke it. So it's all screwed down, ready to put some foam in. We are ready for hunting. Well, the boys are ready. So what are we looking at cost? I got the tank for free. The mesh curtains we made, these windows, were free. We salvaged those from the greenhouse many years ago. We used some spray paint on it. They can move, and there's double layer here. This one's a double layer, this one's a single, so it just depends what we're trying to do. Okay, we're inside. He's put some hooks here. We also put huge bolts and nuts and washers on the outside where we cut all this material. We just wanted to make sure this thing was very strong. This is a very old tank, and as you notice, it is not a straight wall tank. It's ribbed, and this has definitely made it so much stronger. So if you have one that's a straight wall, the one I use at the house for water is straight wall, it is definitely not as strong as this one. So you will definitely, if you use one like that, you're gonna have to reinforce it. We just reinforced this. This is how the curtains work. He used these clips, and you can move them back and forth, open them up on the bottom and the top. This is what we put down for the floor. We bought this off of Facebook Marketplace, 60 full pieces and a bunch of halves and quarters for $100. So really, that's one of the more expensive things. But we only used, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, and some halves, or not even that. The rest we're going to use for our gym. when we get our shop done. So we'll have the floor covered in this. So that was very, very good deal on Facebook Marketplace. Got a lot of spray paint in it, a lot of spray paint. Luckily, I bought all the black, and that was the base coat. I bought that when it was $1 at Walmart. So the hardware store was very useful. So this is the floor. Nate did an excellent job cutting everything. That will keep it quieter, so if you do drop something, and it'll be warmer on your feet. And it will give the boys the ability just to lay down with a sleeping bag if they get a little tired. So how much money do I have in this? We got a lot of time in it, but money, probably $100 for sure in spray paint. And then we have 100 in the mats, but we only used maybe an eighth of the mat. So let's say $15 in mats because we got them used. They were in mint condition. We'll probably leave the picnic table here because it's been sitting here for years and years and years, and it hasn't bothered the deer. We'll also use this for hogs. Hogs are terrible around here. So this will let all 4 of us come. I won't be hunting. I'll be shooting a camera and documenting what the boys get. And one thing I'm very excited about, I'll show it to you, it's inside. Most important thing right here, we painted this one lighter color. August 28, 2024 setup. When the boys hunt, we'll just put who hunted, what they saw, maybe what they shot, and then put a line under this. And as we fill this one up, we'll paint this one and just keep going. So hopefully my great grandchildren will be able to hunt in here and see all of the history and all the good times this family's had. Thanks for watching.